Shalom, gods and goddesses. Just want to take a moment to make this video for you real quick regarding power of attorney. As you know, law is contract, contract is law. So some people out there are wondering, how are they even able, how are certain things even able to happen to them without their approval? Okay. The answer is simple. It's power of attorney. When you were a child, the state was given power of attorney over you, and if you haven't changed that by now, no matter how old you are, you're still a ward of the state. So let's just take a couple moments and review um, what exactly you need power of attorney to do. Because remember, now power of attorney is you granting uh, is a grant of exclusive power to conduct all tax, business, and legal affairs of principal person. Okay. Now, the debtor or the grantor would be the person that you think you are. The person you really want to be is the secured party creditor, um, or the person that has power of attorney over you, over your person. All right. So you need a power of attorney to take possession of, hold, and manage any real estate and all other property, to receive money or property paid or delivered to you from any source, to deposit funds into, make withdrawals from, or sign checks or drafts against any account standing in your name, individually or jointly in any bank or other depository, to cash coupons, bonds, or certificates of deposit, to endorse checks, notes, or other documents in your name, to have access to and to place items into or remove from any safety deposit box standing in your name individually, and otherwise to conduct bank transactions or business for you in your name. This is why you're actually giving your bank power of attorney um, when you open an account with them, because they're doing things behind the scenes to move and transfer your, it's not really money, and I'm sure you know what real money is by now, but to maneuver that currency around on your behalf, so to speak, to pay your just debts and expenses, including reasonable expenses incurred by your attorney in fact, which could or should maybe you, um, in exercising exclusive power of attorney, to retain any investments, invest, and to invest in stocks, bonds, or other securities, or in real estate or other property, to give general and special proxies or exercise rights of conversion or rights with respect to shares or securities, to deposit shares or securities with or transfer them to protective committees or similar bodies, to join in any reorganization and pay assessments or subscriptions called for in connection with shares or securities, to sell, exchange, lease, give options, and make contracts concerning real estate or other property for such considerations and on such terms as your attorney in fact may consider prudent, to improve or develop real estate, to construct, alter, or repair building structures and appurtenances. Excuse me, it's APPURTENANCES. I can't pronounce everything right. I'm working on it though. Or real estate, to settle boundary lines, assessments, and other rights with respect to real estate, to plant, cultivate, harvest, and sell, or otherwise dispose of crops and timber, and do all things necessary or appropriate to good husbandry, to provide for the use, maintenance, repair, security, or storage of your tangible property, to purchase and maintain such policies of insurance against liability, fire, casualty, or other risk as your attorney in fact may consider prudent. Now, just in listening to that, I mean, you can see why you register your vehicle with the state, which basically gives them ownership. You know, you can see why you have insurance policies that you gotta go through these vendors and sign all these documents for. Um, Power of attorney, people. You know, I'm gonna keep it really short, really simple. I want you guys to investigate this for yourself. Again, those that know, law is contract, contract is law, and enjoy. Shalom.